a chip off the old block Qualcomm eyes Intel in bold takeover bid. The semiconductor world is abuzz with the latest news. Qualcomm, the San Diego-based mobile chip giant, is reportedly considering a takeover of its larger rival Intel. This potential acquisition has sent shockwaves through the tech industry as Qualcomm aims to expand its influence and capabilities. This audacious move, if successful, would dramatically reshape the landscape of the tech industry. It would not only alter the competitive dynamics, but also set a new precedent for mergers and acquisitions in the semiconductor sector. It would create a behemoth with unparalleled reach, spanning smartphones, PCs, data centers, and the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. The combined entity would have the resources and expertise to drive innovation across multiple domains, potentially leading to groundbreaking advancements. Qualcomm's interest in Intel comes at a time of significant upheaval in the semiconductor market. The industry is undergoing rapid changes, with new technologies emerging and old paradigms being challenged. The global chip shortage has exposed vulnerabilities in the supply chain. This shortage has affected numerous industries, from automotive to consumer electronics, highlighting the critical importance of a robust and resilient semiconductor supply chain. At the same time, demand for advanced computing power continues to surge, driven by the rise of 5G, AI, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. These technologies are transforming the way we live and work, creating new opportunities and challenges for semiconductor companies. The potential acquisition has sparked intense speculation and analysis. Experts are debating the strategic fit of the two companies, the potential synergies, and the challenges that such a massive integration would entail. Investors, analysts, and industry insiders are all trying to decipher the motivations behind Qualcomm's move and the potential ramifications for both companies. Some see it as a bold strategic play, while others are more cautious, pointing to the risks involved. A successful merger would undoubtedly have ripple effects throughout the tech world, impacting everything from smartphone prices to the development of cutting-edge AI technologies. The combined strengths of Qualcomm and Intel could lead to new innovations and efficiencies, but the path to integration would be complex and fraught with challenges. Intel's slump, a prime opportunity for acquisition? Intel, once the undisputed king of chips, has faced significant challenges in recent years. The company has struggled to keep pace with the rapid advancements in mobile chip design, ceding ground to rivals like Qualcomm and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, in the lucrative smartphone and tablet markets. This decline is reflected in Intel's stock price. Once a Wall Street darling, Intel has seen its share value plummet by over 40% from its peak in early 2020. The company's market capitalization, a key indicator of its overall value, has shrunk considerably, making it a more attainable target for an acquisition. Despite these setbacks, Intel remains a formidable player in the semiconductor industry. The company still holds a dominant position in the PC market. It also has a significant presence in data centers, powering the servers that form the backbone of the Internet. Intel's vast manufacturing capabilities and deep technological expertise make it an attractive target for Qualcomm, which lacks Intel's scale in chip production. Titans of tech: Qualcomm and Intel's strengths and weaknesses. Qualcomm and Intel, while both giants in the semiconductor industry, operate in distinct segments of the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. These differences are not just in their product lines, but also in their strategic approaches and market focuses. Understanding these differences is crucial to grasping the potential benefits and challenges of a merger. A deeper dive into their individual strengths and weaknesses reveals the unique value each company brings to the table. Qualcomm has established itself as the leader in mobile processors, powering billions of smartphones worldwide. Its dominance in the mobile sector is a testament to its innovative approach and relentless focus on mobile technology. Its Snapdragon chips are renowned for their energy efficiency and performance, making them the go-to choice for leading smartphone manufacturers like Samsung and Xiaomi. This has allowed Qualcomm to build strong partnerships and a loyal customer base in the mobile industry. Qualcomm's expertise in mobile technologies, including 5G and wireless communication, positions it well for the future of connected devices. As the world moves towards a more connected ecosystem, Qualcomm's innovations in 5G are set to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of communication. Intel, on the other hand, has traditionally focused on high-performance computing, dominating the PC and server markets for decades. Its legacy in the computing world is built on a foundation of robust and reliable processors that have powered countless personal computers and servers. Its x86 architecture has become the industry standard for personal computers, while its Xeon processors power a vast majority of data centers worldwide. This has cemented Intel's reputation as a leader in high-performance computing and enterprise solutions. However, Intel has struggled to replicate its success in the mobile space, lagging behind Qualcomm in terms of power efficiency and chip design. This has been a significant challenge for Intel as the market increasingly shifts towards mobile and portable devices. A merger between these two titans would create a company with an unparalleled portfolio of semiconductor technologies spanning from low-power mobile chips to high-performance server processors. The combined strengths of Qualcomm and Intel could lead to groundbreaking advancements in both mobile and high-performance computing sectors. This combined expertise could lead to the development of innovative new products and solutions across a wide range of industries. From enhancing mobile experiences to revolutionizing data centers, the potential for innovation is immense. The merger could also foster a new era of collaboration and technological synergy, driving the semiconductor industry forward in unprecedented ways. In recent years, Intel has embarked on a strategic shift aiming to become a major player in the foundry business. This involves manufacturing chips designed by other companies, a model pioneered by TSMC. Intel's CEO, Pat Gelsinger, has made this a key pillar of his turnaround strategy, investing billions of dollars in building new fabrication plants and expanding existing ones. This move towards contract manufacturing presents both opportunities and challenges for a potential acquisition by Qualcomm. On the one hand, acquiring Intel's foundry business would provide Qualcomm with a much-needed boost in manufacturing capacity, reducing its reliance on third-party manufacturers like TSMC. This would give Qualcomm greater control over its supply chain and potentially allow it to bring new products to market faster. However, Intel's foundry ambitions are still in their early stages. The company faces stiff competition from established players like TSMC and Samsung, which have a significant head start in terms of technology and customer relationships. Integrating Intel's foundry business into Qualcomm's operations would be a complex and potentially costly undertaking. The history of the semiconductor industry is littered with cautionary tales of failed acquisitions. These stories serve as important lessons for companies looking to navigate the complex landscape of mergers and acquisitions in this highly competitive field. Time and again, companies have attempted to merge their way to dominance, only to find that combining different corporate cultures, technologies, and product lines is a Herculean task. The challenges are not just technical, but also deeply rooted in human factors, such as leadership styles and employee morale. One of the most notable examples is the ill-fated merger between Broadcom and Qualcomm in 2018. This proposed merger was seen as a game-changer that could reshape the semiconductor landscape. The $117 billion deal, which would have been the largest in the history of the semiconductor industry, was ultimately blocked by the Trump administration's on national security grounds. The decision was influenced by concerns that the merger could potentially compromise the United States' technological edge. The US government feared that the merger would give China an edge in the development of 5G technology. This was a critical issue, as 5G is considered the backbone of future technological advancements, impacting everything from smartphones to smart cities. Another high-profile failure was the acquisition of Altera by Intel in 2015. This deal was initially hailed as a strategic move to bolster Intel's position in the programmable logic device market. While the $16.7 billion deal was successfully completed, Intel struggled to integrate Altera's technology into its product roadmap. The integration process proved to be more complex and time-consuming than initially anticipated. The acquisition ultimately failed to deliver the anticipated synergies, and Intel was forced to take a significant write-down on the value of the deal. This financial setback was a stark reminder of the risks involved in such large-scale mergers. These past failures highlight the significant challenges and risks associated with large-scale mergers in the semiconductor industry. The complexities of integrating different technologies, corporate cultures, and business strategies cannot be underestimated. Qualcomm would need to carefully consider the lessons learned from these past mistakes to avoid repeating them if it decides to pursue an acquisition of Intel. Strategic planning, thorough due diligence, and a clear integration roadmap are essential to navigate the pitfalls that have plagued previous mergers. Ultimately, the key to a successful merger lies in the ability to harmonize different corporate cultures, align technological goals, and maintain a clear vision for the future. Companies that can master these elements stand a better chance of achieving the desired synergies and driving innovation in the semiconductor industry.